Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. I have a love-hate relationship with bangs. Until now, because these scissors from Utopia have taken the high maintenance aspect out of bangs, because I can now trim them myself. These have been a really helpful tool. I'll be honest with you, my hair trimming experience comes from social media, so I don't have a massive knowledge about scissors or how to cut, but what I can tell you is that these are really easy to use. They're incredibly sharp. It has a nice fine point at the end, and I really like the soft grip where you place your fingers. It makes it incredibly comfortable to use. I think these are an incredible value. They work really well for what I needed, and now I can wear my bangs without them flying in my face. Keeping them trimmed makes it easier to style them. So these scissors have definitely become a beauty companion that I can't live without. And that's my point of view.